Hello everyone, myself Faisal are going to present my views on the topic, the world would be a better place if. It's very difficult to give opinion on a topic like this. Most people would probably say the world would be a better place if we all had money or there were no racism. Other people would probably say the world would be better if we could all be equal or there is more love in the world. The fact is the world would be a better place if we could accomplish all the things together. The world would be a better place if we treat each other like humans. It's easy for people to find an excuse to hurt someone. It can range from something as small as picking the new kid in a school to bombing the city of innocent civilians. Our world is surrounded by the hate, and with so much of the hate surrounding us, it's harsh. Our world is surrounded by hate, and with so much of the hate surrounding us, it's hard to step out of the big picture and realize that at the end of the day, we all are humans. As humans, we have to learn to look beyond what separates us from others and learn to unite. In order to unite, we have to look past all the things that separate us. We have to look past our differences. I want to live in the world where people can live happily without having to think about what someone may think of them. I want to live in the world where we do not label a whole religious body as terrorist. I do not want to live in the world where power is determined by how much money you have. It's heartbreaking when you begin to realize how much hate there is in the world. People kill themselves over words people utter. There are people in the world who deliberately go out of their way to put others down because they cannot accept themselves. There are people in the world who are so quick to target the black kid without realizing that the beneath that layer of the skin is the same flesh and the bone we all share. We are more alike than we seem. However, bigger conflict always arises from smaller trivial things. So we get into the habit of hating each other. Soon we get into the habit of hating each other. We get into the habit of constantly putting each other down just to feel satisfied. Instead of taking into account the bigger thing, we crush each other. So the world would be a better place if we did treat each other like the humans. But I do not even know how to go fixing the world's problem. There will always be conflict. Therefore, trying to put an end to hate that sounds impossible. However, there are always little things we can do to make our personal world a better place for ourselves and the people around us. Help out the homeless people instead of scoffing at them. People speak out against bullying school. Stand up for minorities. There are not much I can do right now to tackle all the world's problem, but I can be leader in tackling my community's problem. Thank you so much for watching.